One of the things that Impel lets me do that I can't do when I'm working in other tools is I have views into the status of the approvals of my artifacts. So and because Impel works like by the component of the project rather than a monolithic requirements document, each or great big design documents or big test scenario packets, right, to approve, where they get sent out to people and and resent out to people, and what is the history on that. It's all manually done and takes a lot of chasing around. There's some workflow built into Impel that makes it just easier for me. So I can see here in the requirements, I can see my status of them. These requirements are approved, the green ones. I have one that's still pending approval. And what's nice is I can also see if it changes, so right now it's approved, but let's say it's being edited and someone comes in and changes a requirement on me. Let's see, let's change this CNA data requirement. There's an extra space after the word reportable, and we don't like that, so we're going to take it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and save that. I can, as I'm saving it, I can either put it back in pending status, or I can mark it as a draft. In this case, I'll mark it as a draft just to show you that the status changed from pending to draft here. I'll go back into the listing, and it was saved. Let's see. I'll go back into the listing and requirements. And you can see now, I'll take my group by off. I don't need that. This one was approved before, and now it's green. It's in a draft mode. And the hover over state shows it. So I can see right away it has a requirement changed, and this is visible to the whole project team, whether it's in the requirements, maybe it's one of the solutions, a design document, or one of the tests changed. We can all see if as items are approved or if they're draft, and they automatically go back for all to see, not just perhaps in the old days just the business analyst or whoever on the requirements might know that a requirement was modified, or maybe just the tester knows that a test was modified. Now we can all see that items are in draft status or pending approval or already approved. So we all share the same information.